Go. We're gonna brave the dogs and the hunters.
Yes, we are.
We gotta get it done. Ooh. See what we got. First time back in forever. Let's see if we got our cameras still up. See if anything's new or different. And boy, oh boy, we gotta get in and get out. The rocks, yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's the day. That's where we sat that one day, me and Amanda.
Okay.
But what does look different is this. This was never hanging here. This one was, but this one wasn't. Gosh, I'm kind of confused on which way. Oh, it's this way. Look at this. Am I going the right way? Is that one of our beads?
I don't remember that being yours.
What is this? I don't remember this either.
Oh, that's not.
We're gonna have to
That's
ask.
an Indian breed beads.
That's not yours,
It's some kind of
Kathy.
Indian.
Well, let's ask.
You see
Well,
the
Unless
necklace
it's
that I got on here?
Amanda's.
yeah, we'll have to ask
This was
Amanda.
given to me
I don't
by,
remember this one at all.
An Indian tribe.
But we'll ask Amanda.
Protection
We'll
beads.
ask Amanda.
Now-
Everything looks so different here. But it's been 2 months, I think. And here are the dogs. They're coming. Yee. We'll hurry. That looks so messed up over there, huh?
Yeah.
Goodness.
A lot of different stuff.
Definitely. Did I just hear someone talking? Probably was them. Okay, the cam's still up on this one. But this here is really nice. All this, you can see. Oh, I hung up the other green lay. So somewhere it should be on a tree. Oh, here it is. All right, that's still hanging. That's good. The last time I hung it on this tree. And then somehow this tree got pushed over. Let's look for the rings. I know there's rings. Looking for the rings. There's a ring there. There's a ring there. Hanging up there. There should be a third ring somewhere. There's
one right here.
Yep, there it is. That's it. Okay, good. All 3 rings are there. They've been there. But that's different. That was always broke there. That broke from a storm, I believe. But this one wasn't laying across it.
No.
So that's new. A couple of new little things in here.
Wow, I'll say.
That's what I told my wife. I said, you know, the man upstairs knew that I needed it.
Yeah, right.
And made sure I got it to do it.
That's great. That's
It was
great.
just like they were putting it. They told me.
Okay, we still got the thermone chip hanging. And that's still in the middle. And that's still hanging. All right, everything. Oh, there's the camera. Everything looks good here. Everything looks the same.
Everything, same size tires.
That's too weird.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's been there since we sat here. Like we did this. That's us.
Yeah, y'all flash.
Yeah. Us. I just have to come this way because I get lost when I look for this one. My gosh, what's going on over here? Yeah. Oh, there's the... Look at that nice X right there. That's nice.
Wood,
Let's see. Wow. All right, that wasn't there. This was not here before. This right here, around my camera.
It could have fell off that tree though.
Yeah, it could have. Yeah, it sure could have. Most likely it did. See all this in here though?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
See, this double X is a good marker. for
Yeah,
the camera.
yeah. Well, this is going this way up here. I know the sun's in the way, and this one is going up. They're meeting and clipped in up there. So that's pretty neat. I don't even know if this was here the last time. Maybe
Well, you can see where it hit and it rubbed
yeah,
and then went down a little bit more.
yeah,
And what it is, it's wedged because of the way it fell.
yeah.
And it's right there in that fork.
Yep. Yep, there's a dog.
Yep, there's a dog getting close.
Dogs are getting close.
Right there on the road.
All right, let's get out of this one.
On the back
Oh, you
side
did? So we got a rock down there and a bead up there.
Okay,
And
and
then I
then
had a
it's at
crystal about
the
the size of
mound.
my thumb.
Go in here now and see what's going on. Try to find one of our cameras, see if it's all in place. Really nice. It's really nice in here. Yeah, you're cold. You don't ever get cold. Wow, Pam, look at that. Look at that. Dang.
Maybe one marker that's really obvious. Right. Hopefully it's stuff is just real faint like this. Because everything is so open. All we need is just,
Okay, this would be the area I feel like the camera's in. I do. I think it's over here. Right here. Yeah, it has. Whoa.
what that is. And then right there down to the middle. There's two
Yeah, this is nice.
trees laying up on a stone. So like
I see your camera.
It
Yeah.
was pushed down onto this. And you have all this going on.
This one's good.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, wow. What's all that stuff going on back there? Man.
This is a nice little area.
Yeah.
There's some good stuff.
Yeah.
Look, there's
Look.
another thing back there too.
It's just crazy. All the ground glyphs. And look at this one. You got this one here holding that one down.
Yeah, this is nice.
That's an arch being held down, being clipped in. That way. Let's go see if we can get this on here with the camera.
Found all the
Look at this for a minute. Is this one? Yeah. Goes this way. This one comes through. This is like pretty interesting. Actually a pretty interesting area. There you go. Here's a nice area. It's a nice X right there. That going up and that going this way. This is beautiful. Like a little
cool.
low TP, and then you
There's
got
one up
one
behind
going
it
there.
too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
one day
I don't think we've been back this far, huh?
you went to the bathroom.
It's nice back here too. This way, you got a going this way. You got one going this way. I would call this a fence. And you got an X right there. And all kinds of good stuff happens here. Oh look, huh? Look at this. Look at that X right there. Right there. Where is it?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. They say, welcome back. Wow. Oh, my phone. Oh, it's like a jungle every time we come in here. Like a jungle. Hello. Last time they welcomed us, they said hello.
Battery operated.
I'll try that stuck in there.
They didn't send me the plan.
Hello, guys. You can tell me hello like you did for me and Pam once. But that was a gun. Yep. But this is fresh. This is fresh.
Yeah.
This wasn't there. That was me, but look, this is fresh. It's windy.
Yeah. I heard that too. That was definitely the trees.
Yeah, the trees
Took me
make.
a while to learn that.
That's a nice one, but that's a tree, yeah.
Damn, now that one got me.
There's a big one over there doing that. You see just the way the palm fronds, see that? That's clicked in over there. And see where the palm fronds are right there? Like something could be hiding behind that palm frond.
Yeah. Interesting. Definitely looks different.
Mm-hmm. It does look different, my God. Look at this one. Upside down right here. Like there, broke off. Where did it break off from, James? Well, I don't see it. Do you?
Saw them kept the tops on it.
Oh, maybe right down there at the bottom. There's a little stump that broke up. And it broke up and then it held this down somehow. Now, got everything we need to get done. Saw a couple new things. Been a long, long time since I've been in this area. I love these kind of sticks. But after hunting season, you know, I'll come back and do some looking around, more walking, more sitting, or dodging dogs and bullets, and cars and trucks, and people. Anyway, have a good day. Bigfoot World Cryptids, the paranormal researchers of Central Florida. Pam, Aaron, James, and Kathy. It's nice. Yeah, we're at the Ocklawaha Prairie now. We decided to take a look around. There's a nice looking stump. But we're going to go by this little swamp and see if it's any prints or anything, any signs. So we're taking a real fast trip out. Oh, yeah. Oh, fine. What do you got? Bones. Very nice. What's that jawbone and something over down there?
That's the teeth. Is that the teeth or a spine?
Down there. It's teeth.
Very cool.
That's the spine of something.
There's teeth here.
Yeah, let's get them. We take.
Right here.
Yeah, take them. I don't know. I think armadillo. I don't know though. I'm not 100% sure at all. I thought I saw bones over here. That's why I started walking over here. And I lost them. Oh, there they are. No, they're not bones. Yeah. Nice area, huh? Right by a marsh and everything. Gosh, I hope there's no alligator going to jump out and get me. No, it looks pretty empty. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see any impressions like there used to be.